Once upon a time, there was a little bear named Benny who loved to play in the forest. One sunny day, Benny decided to go on an adventure to find the biggest berry he could find. As he wandered through the forest, he came across a family of rabbits who were building a house. The rabbits invited Benny to help them, but Benny declined. He was too busy searching for the biggest berry. Benny continued his search and soon came across a group of squirrels who were gathering nuts for the winter. The squirrels invited Benny to help them, but Benny declined. He was too focused on finding the biggest berry. As he walked further, Benny found a group of birds building a nest. The birds invited Benny to help them, but Benny declined. He was determined to find the biggest berry. Finally, Benny found the biggest berry he had ever seen. He was so excited that he started to run back to his den. But on the way, he tripped and fell, causing the berry to roll away. Benny felt sad and disappointed. He had been so focused on finding the biggest berry that he missed out on the opportunity to make new friends and help others. As he sat there feeling sorry for himself, the rabbits, squirrels, and birds he had met earlier came to check on him. They saw that Benny was upset, and offered to help him find the biggest berry. Together, they searched the forest and eventually found an even bigger berry than the one Benny had originally found. Benny realized that working together with his new friends was more important than finding the biggest berry on his own. The moral of the story is that it's important to help others and make friends along the way. Sometimes, we get so focused on our own goals that we miss out on the joy of helping others and forming new friendships. Working together can lead to even greater success and happiness than we could achieve on our own.